What do I like about AI content building? I love it. But when I'm going to hate it is when people don't realize you can't just take what they give you and use it. They've got to make sure that you sit down with that AI content and tweak it so it sounds like you. The whole thing about standing out right now in your marketing is you got to be unique. And people say, who are your competitors? We're a marketing agency, got tons of competitors. But do we have a competitor that's a 42-year-old company that was started by a woman that's in the B space, that is very industry specific and handles accounts the way we do? When I look at that, I'll say, no, we don't have any competitors. And that's what brands have to do. You've got to show your uniqueness, because when you do, that's when you'll stand out from your competition. And I'll admit, you show your uniqueness, you are not going to connect with everyone. There's some people who don't want to work with a company our size. That's fine. Then you're not our target audience anyway. So be unique, put it out there, and you'll connect with the right people. And then those are the people who will stay with you year after year.